Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Today, I have a fun question for you.
Uh-oh. I feel nervous already.
Why?
Because your questions are never simple.
This one is easy.
Okay, let's hear it.
What would you do with $1 million?
Wow. That's a lot of money.
I know.
Can I have a minute?
No.
That's not fair.
You have $1 million. You'll be okay.
Good point.
So, what's the first thing you would do?
Honestly,
Yes.
I would go back to sleep.
What?
A rich person's nap.
That's your dream?
Absolutely.
You could travel the world.
Later.
You could buy a new car.
Later.
You could buy a big house.
Later.
And first?
Sleep.
That's unbelievable.
Thank you.
I wasn't giving you a compliment.
I know.
What about your family?
Of course I would help my family.
That's better.
My mom would be very happy.
What would she say?
She would probably say, save your money.
That sounds like a mom.
Exactly.
My mom would say the same thing.
Moms are very similar.
That's true.
What about you? What would you do?
I would travel.
Immediately?
Immediately.
Not even one day at home?
No.
Wow.
I want to see new places.
Which country first?
Maybe Japan.
Good choice.
What about you?
Honestly,
Here we go again.
I might stay home for a week.
You have $1 million and you stay home?
A very comfortable home.
That's funny.
I'm a simple person.
Clearly.
Would you quit your job?
Maybe not.
Really?
I like being busy.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I thought I would say yes.
But?
Now I'm not sure.
Why?
Because I think I would get bored.
Exactly.
Wow. I agree with you.
This is a special moment.
Very special.
Take a picture.
Good idea.
Have you ever imagined becoming rich?
Many times.
What did you imagine?
When I was a child, I thought rich people ate pizza every day.
That's amazing.
I was a simple child.
Apparently.
What about you?
I thought rich people never had problems.
Oh, wow. Me too.
Now I know that's not true.
Definitely not true.
Everyone has problems.
Some people just have more money.
Exactly.
Do you think $1 million would change you?
Maybe a little.
At least you're honest.
What about you?
I would still be the same person.
Really?
Okay, maybe with better shoes.
Now that's honest.
And maybe more snacks.
Of course, everything comes back to food.
Always.
You know what?
What?
Having $1 million sounds exciting,
It does.
but it also sounds stressful.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking.
Really?
Sometimes more money means more decisions.
That's true.
And I'm not very good at making decisions.
That's probably the most honest thing you've said today.
Thank you. I think.
Okay, let's say you really have $1 million.
I like this conversation already.
Of course you do.
I'm rich in this conversation.
Only in this conversation.
That's still better than nothing.
So, what would you buy first?
Food.
Food?
Good food. Very good food.
You have $1 million and you're thinking about lunch?
A person needs priorities.
That's funny.
What would you buy?
Maybe a plane ticket.
You're still thinking about travel.
Always.
Where would you go first?
Maybe Italy?
Nice.
I want to see beautiful places, eat amazing food, take lots of photos.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I would visit my family first.
Really?
Of course.
That's sweet.
My family has helped me my whole life.
I understand.
I would want to help them too.
I think many people feel the same way.
Family is important.
Very important.
What would your family say if you suddenly had $1 million?
My mother would probably ask 100 questions.
Only 100?
Okay, Maybe 1,000.
That sounds more realistic.
She would ask where the money came from.
Good question.
Then she would tell me to save it.
Exactly like my mom.
Moms are the same everywhere.
I think you're right.
Have you ever won money before?
Not much.
Me neither.
Once I won a small prize.
Really?
Yes,
How much?
$20.
Wow, Mr. Millionaire.
Please, call me Rich.
What did you do with it?
I bought snacks.
You spent it immediately?
Immediately.
No saving?
No saving.
That's terrible.
I was young.
That's your excuse?
And it was delicious.
Fair enough.
What about you? Did you ever win anything?
Actually, yes.
Really?
When I was a child,
What did you win?
a teddy bear.
That's adorable.
I loved that teddy bear.
Do you still have it?
I think so, somewhere at home.
That's nice.
You know what?
What?
I don't think I need $1 million to be happy.
Really?
Yes, it would be nice, but I don't think it guarantees happiness.
I agree.
You do?
Of course.
That's surprising.
Why?
Because 5 minutes ago, you wanted to buy all the food in the world.
I can enjoy food and still be wise.
Fair point.
I think money makes life easier.
But not perfect.
Exactly.
That's a good answer.
Thank you. I practiced it in my imaginary millionaire life.
You're ridiculous.
A rich and ridiculous man.
$1 million and you're still making bad jokes.
Some things never change.
That's probably true.
Do you know what worries me?
What?
People asking me for money.
Oh, wow. I didn't think about that.
Imagine getting messages every day.
From friends?
Friends, family, people I haven't seen in years.
That's actually possible.
Exactly.
What would you do?
I don't know. That's a difficult situation.
It really is.
Maybe having $1 million isn't as simple as it sounds.
I think you're right.
There are good things and difficult things.
Just like normal life.
Exactly. Only with a bigger bank account.
That's a good way to say it. You know what?
What?
This topic reminds me of my childhood.
Really?
Yes. When I was young, $1 million sounded impossible.
Same here.
I couldn't even imagine that much money.
Me neither.
What did you want to be when you were a child?
A pilot?
Really?
Yes. I wanted to travel around the world.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I wanted to be a teacher.
That actually makes sense.
Why?
Because you ask questions all day.
That's not true.
Really?
Okay, maybe a little.
A little?
Okay, a lot.
That's more honest.
Did your family talk about money when you were young?
Not very often.
Same.
My parents mostly talked about working hard.
Mine too. They always said the same thing.
What was it?
Save your money.
That's exactly what my parents said.
Parents really are the same everywhere. They also told me to study hard.
Oh yes, I heard that every week.
Every week?
Maybe every day.
That sounds familiar.
At the time, I didn't enjoy hearing it.
Me neither.
But now, I understand.
Exactly. They wanted the best for us.
That's true.
Do you think children should learn about money?
Definitely.
Really?
Yes, not everything, just the basics.
Like saving money.
Exactly. And spending wisely.
That's a good lesson.
What would you do if your child received $1 million?
Wow, that's a big question.
I know.
I would help them make good decisions.
That's smart.
I wouldn't let them spend everything immediately.
Unlike me with my $20.
Exactly.
I knew that story would come back.
Of course.
Fair enough.
What do you think is more important?
Money or time?
Yes.
Honestly, time.
Really?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because you can earn more money,
That's true.
but you can't get more time.
Wow, that's actually a great answer.
Thank you. I'm surprising myself today.
I noticed.
What about you?
I think I agree.
You do.
Yes, the older I get, the more valuable time feels.
Exactly.
Good memories are important.
Very important.
Time with family, time with friends. time at home.
Those things matter.
You know what's funny?
What?
At the beginning of this conversation, I was thinking about travel.
And now?
Now I'm thinking about family.
That's interesting.
Because if I had $1 million, I would want to create memories.
Not just buy things.
Exactly.
I like that.
What about you?
I think I would do the same.
Really?
Yes, a nice trip with family, a good meal, a happy weekend together.
That sounds wonderful.
Those are the things people remember.
Not expensive shoes.
Hey, I still want the shoes.
Of course you do.
But family comes first.
Good answer.
Thank you. I learned from my mother.
Save your money?
Exactly. And buy fewer snacks.
Now that's the most unrealistic thing you've said today.
You're probably right.
I know I'm right. You know, this conversation turned out very differently than I expected.
Really?
Yes. At first, I was thinking about money.
And now?
Now, I'm thinking about life.
That's deep.
I have my moments.
Apparently. So, what did you learn today?
I learned that $1 million would be nice,
Very nice.
but it's not the most important thing.
I agree.
What matters more is how we use our time
Exactly.
and who we spend it with.
Family, friends, people we care about.
Those things make life meaningful.
You're absolutely right.
What about you? What did you learn?
I learned that if I ever get $1 million, I should not tell too many people.
That's your lesson?
One of them.
What's the other lesson?
I think money is a tool.
Interesting.
It can help us, it can solve problems, but it doesn't automatically make life perfect.
That's true.
We still need good people around us,
Definitely.
and we still need purpose.
I like that answer.
Thank you.
Do you think you'd be happier with $1 million?
Maybe a little.
Only a little?
Well, maybe a little more than a little.
That's more honest.
What about you?
I think it would reduce some stress,
Same.
but I don't think it would change who I am.
I hope not,
Why?
because you're already nice.
Aw, thank you.
Don't get used to it.
Too late. If you really had $1 million tomorrow, what's the first thing you would do?
Honestly,
Yes,
I'd call my family,
that's a great answer.
and then I'd buy pizza.
There it is.
What?
I knew food would come back.
Food always comes back,
That's your life philosophy.
and I'm proud of it.
What kind of pizza?
The largest pizza available.
For your family?
For me.
Dave!
I'm kidding. Mostly.
You're impossible.
Thank you.
That wasn't a compliment.
It sounds like one now.
You know what?
What?
I don't need $1 million to enjoy this conversation.
That's good, because I don't have $1 million.
Neither do I.
Well, that's disappointing.
A little.
But we still have coffee,
And good conversation.
and that's worth something too.
I completely agree.
Maybe that's the real lesson.
What's that?
Life isn't only about money
It's about people.
and experiences,
And memories.
and maybe a little pizza.
Of course.
I had to say it.
I know.
Well, this was fun.
It really was.
Maybe one day we'll have this conversation again.
After we become millionaires?
Exactly.
I'll remember that.
Me too.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.